Hey there, fellow beard enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the world of grooming products to bring you the best of the best.
And today, I've got something truly special for all you beard aficionados out there. Introducing the Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil, a game changer in the world of beard care. Now, if you've been on the quest for the ultimate beard growth oil kit, look no further because this right here is the holy grail.
Crafted with care right here in the USA, this beard oil boasts a blend of organic virgin argan, golden jojoba, and 6 more premium hydrating oils. And let me tell you, folks, these ingredients aren't just there for show. They work wonders in softening your beard and nourishing your skin, leaving you with a luscious, well-conditioned mane that's sure to turn heads. But don't just take my word for it. Our satisfied customers rave about the lightweight formula that absorbs quickly into the beard without leaving any greasy residue.
Plus, the subtle yet earthy scent is a winner for those who prefer a more natural fragrance. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to use. Simply apply a small amount to your slightly damp beard, and let the magic happen. Whether you're a seasoned beard veteran or just starting your journey, this beard oil is sure to become your new go-to. And here's the best part: not only does it promote beard growth,
but it also doubles up as a skin conditioner, making it a versatile addition to your grooming routine.
Plus, with its affordable price point, you're getting top-notch quality without breaking the bank. So there you have it, folks, the Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil. The ultimate solution for achieving the beard of your dreams. If you're ready to take your grooming game to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this must-have product. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all things grooming. Until next time, stay sharp and stay stylish.